Have you tried everything to lose belly fat, but nothing seems to work, especially after 30? The real problem might not be your workouts or your willpower. It might be your liver. And the most powerful food to heal it? It's the one food most people are afraid to eat. I remember standing in front of the mirror, touching my bloated belly and wondering how I got here. I ate clean, I exercised. But my energy was down, my periods were off, and I couldn't shake the weight. Then a routine blood test showed. I had signs of fatty liver, and suddenly it all made sense. The fatigue, the stubborn fat, the foggy brain, the way I felt older than I am. I had to do something different, and what I found shocked me, and it might surprise you too. The real cause of fatty liver and why women are at risk. For years, fatty liver was blamed on alcohol. But today, it's exploding in women who don't drink at all. The real culprits are processed carbs, sugary snacks and drinks, industrial seed oils, and a hidden problem called insulin resistance. Hormonal shifts, especially after 30, make your liver even more vulnerable. When estrogen drops, your body stores more fat, especially around the organs. And your liver, being the detox queen, gets overloaded fast. Most women walk around with fatty liver and don't even know it. They miss the symptoms. Here's the symptoms and what to look for: constant fatigue, bloating, especially after carbs, hormonal weight gain, lower belly, thighs, back, brain fog or forgetfulness, itchy feet or hot flashes, yellowish skin or dark under eyes. Sound familiar? It's your liver waving a red flag. The number one food to melt liver fat. I tried green smoothies. I tried detox teas. But none of them came close to healing power of one surprising food: grass-fed liver. Yes, liver. I know it sounds old school, but it's a superfood, especially for hormone balance and fat metabolism. Why? Because it's loaded with choline, a nutrient your liver needs to process fat. In fact, choline deficiency is one of the biggest drivers of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Choline helps transport fat out of the liver. Also, there are other science-backed nutrients found in liver: vitamin A boosts skin, eyes, and hormonal health. Zinc and selenium are powerful anti-inflammatories. CoQ10 supports heart and cellular energy. Iron is essential for energy, especially in menstruating women. Most women are unknowingly low in these nutrients, and liver provides them in one shot. I get it, liver has a strong flavor. Here's how to make it delicious. Sauté thin slices of grass-fed liver with garlic and onions. Add a side of arugula salad. Because bitter greens support liver detox. Top it with sauerkraut because fermented foods heal the gut. Add a poached egg for extra choline and protein. This combo gives your liver everything it needs to flush fat, balance hormones, and reset digestion. Comment below. Have you ever tried liver? Love it or hate it? Let's talk. There are more liver-friendly superfoods. We will discuss why they work. 1. EGG. Yolks. This is one of the richest natural sources of choline. 0 carbs. 0 sugar. All hormone-friendly fats. Have 2 boiled eggs with your morning greens for a metabolism boost. 2. Cruciferous vegetables. Think of broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage, and arugula. They contain sulforaphane, a powerful liver detoxifier that helps break down estrogen metabolites and improve insulin response. You could ferment them as in sauerkraut. Add good bacteria for your gut. 3. Wild-caught fatty fish, salmon, sardines, mackerel. These are omega-3 powerhouse. Omega-3s reduce liver inflammation, lower triglycerides, and improve insulin sensitivity, perfect for reversing liver fat and hormone imbalance. 4. Broccoli sprouts. Broccoli sprouts are tiny but mighty. These sprouts contain concentrated sulforaphane, which activates your body's detox pathways. Top them on salads or blend them into smoothies for extra healing power. Would you like to know what to avoid if you want a healthy liver? Refined carbs, white bread, pasta, cereal, sugary drinks, even healthy fruit juice, high fructose corn syrup. vegetable oils, canola, soy, corn, sunflower low protein, and high snack diets. These stress the liver and slow down hormone processing, leading to even more weight gain, fatigue, and bloat. How long does it take to see results? According to clinical research, a low-carb, nutrient-dense diet like the one above can reduce liver fat by up to 50% in just a few weeks. However, you could feel more energy by day 3, less bloating by day 5, and better sleep and clearer skin by week 2. And your belly would start to shrink naturally as a daily routine to reset your liver. Morning, you should have warm lemon water, scrambled eggs, or liver and green herbal tea like dandelion or milk. Thistle afternoon could go well with protein and veggies, arugula. Salad with evu and sprout for the evening, broth-based soup or wild salmon, magnesium-rich veggies like spinach, no sugar, or snacks after 7 p.m. Subscribe for more real, raw, research-backed health videos every week, especially for women 25-55 taking back their health without gimmicks. Your liver doesn't just process toxins. It also regulates hormones, fat storage, blood sugar, and energy. When you heal it, everything else gets easier. Belly fat melts, brain fog clears, cravings fade, hormones stabilize, energy returns, and it doesn't take pills or punishing workouts. Just food your body already understands. So if you're feeling off, maybe it's not you. Maybe it's your liver begging for support. And now you know exactly where to start.